is back on my head. And I'm happy.
Laser light therapy is an exciting force in the field of medicine and medical cosmetic procedures. Clinical studies reveal that the use of soft laser light delivered with the correct power and at the appropriate wavelength has the ability to stop the progression of hair loss in 85% of patients tested and to encourage regrowth of hair in more than 57% of patients tested. Check the research on the internet. Medical schools and research think tanks cite case after case, study after study that shows the positive effects of laser light treatments on our well-being. The Stanford Medical Report details how the condition of cancer patients improves after laser light therapy. Laser light is used to treat depression, burns, and many skin and scalp ailments. Laser light not only improves how we feel, but also how we look. This holistic, all-natural treatment is directly linked to dramatic, accelerated hair improvement.
It's everybody's worst nightmare is to lose their hair. And it's like, I mean, I see people now that are losing their hair, like my husband's friends, and I tell them about this place, and I'm like, go, get it now before it all comes up. It's the best money I've ever spent, I'll tell you.
Low-level light therapy is a non-surgical therapeutic light that is safe for all cosmetic purposes. This low-level laser hair therapy station is state-of-the-art, is based on well-established engineering, and is the only laser that meets FDA standards and is FDA compliant. A regular program of 30-minute treatments of cool, safe laser light on your scalp, and family and friends will soon see the difference.
People are noticing now, even the condition of my hair has changed.
With Beechwood Hair Clinic's laser light therapy treatment program, damaged hair is repaired, hair loss stops, and thinning hair begins to reverse itself.
You notice results fast.
Laser light hair therapy is safe, is scientifically proven to work, has no side effects, and is very affordable.
The price is great, you know. It's a fair price for all that you get and the service provided. Works for me, works. And I tell anybody, give it a try. Give it a try and they'll see results. It works.
You won't feel them, but these gentle but very effective lasers dance around your scalp. The effect? Hair loss stops, hair density and beauty improves, and lost hair begins to regrow. No potions, lotions, pills, or weaves. Laser light is now recognized as the safest and most effective way to regain the hair of your youth. Laser light hair therapy is based on the established scientific principle that light, even ordinary light, has a positive effect on cell function. Scientists have been aware of this fact for centuries. You've experienced it because during the summer months when we are exposed to longer days of natural sunlight, our hair grows faster and often appears thicker.
It was thinning terribly. Went through a bad, stressful time in my life, and it began to fall out in handfuls. So I heard about this place and started coming. I didn't think it would work. I don't know. I was so desperate for any answer at the time because my hair was falling out. So I came just full of skepticism, and I thought, well, I'll try it, and it's working. The principle makes sense to me. I just think the combination of the treatments and the supplements and the products all together, I don't know that it would work as well if we left any one of those out.
Laser light therapy cures itchy scalp and other scalp conditions. Also, laser light therapy has a positive effect on hair growth after postmenopausal hair loss, postpartum hair loss due to stress, medication, poor diet, harsh water, hair color treatments, and cheap shampoos. And don't forget, male pattern baldness.
My hair was thinning in the front and at the back. And I was saying, you know, it takes away like little of my manhood. I've got to do something about this. So I was reading the papers one day and I saw this article about this laser therapy, no surgery. And I was saying, wow, this sounds great. So I said, well, okay, I'm going to give it a try. First of all, the laser therapy was so easy, simple. You just sit there, look at the TV, read a magazine, 15 minutes, over. Just a little laser light going around, no pain, nothing. And I was happy.
Laser light is proven to stimulate cell metabolism, protein synthesis, and tissue and cartilage regeneration, all while dramatically increasing the blood supply to the target area.
Everybody's skeptical in the beginning because first time there's no chemicals, there's nothing that could hurt you, and it's proven, it's scientifically proven that it will work for you. All you have to do is follow the program. The proper shampoos, the filter that takes the chlorine out of the water. People restore their hair, and this is the first thing that ever came out for women. Women have great results with this, and there's nothing out on the market for women at all. Women love it. Not only that, it makes their hair fuller looking, and it stops the hair loss. You know what I mean? You're taking that shower and all that hair is laying in the sink, and you wonder when is this going to stop. 4 to 6 weeks later, they all come back and say, you know, I've stopped losing my hair.
Mike Dobeck is president of the Beechwood Hair Clinic. Mike has 30 years of experience in the hair and hair replacement industry. But Mike also has personal insight into hair loss.
I wish this was around 30 years ago when I lost my own hair. Right now I wear a hair system, which we do a lot of in our industry, in our business also. But that was the only solution back there. Now people have an alternative, a great alternative. Something that could keep their own existing hair. If you're starting to lose your hair, you feel like you're going to lose it, or you look at your family history and you see they're going to start losing their hair, this is the time to do something about it. Don't wait for it to all go away, because once that happens, nobody could help you.
The Laser Light Hair Therapy Treatment Program begins with an aggressive 5-week program during which the client has 2 30-minute treatments per week, followed by 1 treatment per week for 3 weeks.
It's the latest thing out there, and it works. It helps people retain their existing hair, and people who've been, losing their hair for the last 5 years, helps it regrow it back.
Laser light hair therapy has been successfully tested and used in Europe, where some of the most important scientific and medical discoveries of this century have evolved.
The laser hair has been really the catalyst that brought it all together. We've been following it in Europe for the last 8 years. And I kept watching, and when it finally came into the United States, I was with the first ones who got a hold of it, because I seen the progress with the European studies, and people are having great results with it.
The next phase of the treatment program requires 1 visit per month for the remaining 4 months of the 6-month therapy. During this period, state-of-the-art diagnostic equipment is used to analyze the patient's hair and scalp and clinically monitor the regrowth and thickening process.
Well, my whole family's got the widow's peak with the 2-car garage, you might say, receding back, and I kind of want to stop that as much as I can.
Jay saw immediate results.
It was about 20 when I started noticing I was losing some hair. So I really didn't want surgery, and I didn't want to use any sort of drugs or pills or whatnot. So this was the alternative that I chose. There's no side effects. You come in here once, twice a week, and that's it, and you notice results fast. In comparison to pills that you have to take the rest of your life, and to surgery, which I looked into, the price is great. It's a fair price for all that you get and the service provided, so price is good.
This is science. Laser light hair therapy is a holistic scientific approach to hair loss, which uses focused light energy to stimulate the body's own ability to heal itself. Laser light hair therapy has no side effects. It's a fact. More Americans are turning to alternative, homeopathic, and holistic medical treatment methods.
Women spend so much on plastic surgery, and anymore in this time that we're in, people don't think anything about spending whatever to improve their looks. Makeup, skincare, and hair, to me, is imperative. You have to have your hair. So, yeah, I would definitely say it's an investment in my appearance. And so it's worth it.
We've talked about the physical results of laser light hair therapy. How about the emotional results? Mike Dobek loves to hear his clients rave about how stopping hair loss and thicker, more attractive hair has renewed their self-esteem.
I feel fantastic about it because I know what it feels like to lose your hair. I know what a person feels like when they come in here and they're losing their hair and they don't know what to say. Make sure you understand their feelings. Hair loss is miserable. I don't care what anybody says. You know, the men say, oh, tough it out. No, it isn't. That men only have one thing to make themselves look good. It's hair. Women's hair means everything to them. It depends how they're going to do for the whole day. Their hair looks good, they feel good.
I've let some of my friends in on my secret, not too many people, and they definitely have noticed, it's thickening up, my hair's growing a lot faster, and, it's definitely more manageable.
Laser light hair therapy is a holistic, scientific approach to hair loss, which uses focused light energy to stimulate the body's own ability to heal itself. Laser light hair therapy is safe and effective for both men and women.
First of all, I used to wear a hat all the time, to hide my little spot back there, because I don't want the guys or the girls to see and laugh at me. Now, I don't even wear a hat. I've got hats from all different logos and everything, maybe 50 hats. They're all in the garbage, more or less. I don't wear hats anymore, and I'm proud of that. Just because of laser therapy, right up in here, it was kind of thinning. I can see it was going right across, like the front part would have been gone within a couple of months, right across here. But all of a sudden, within 4 months, I can see improvement.
It's thick.
It's very thick. I'm surprised. I still can't believe it, This beats surgeon. This beats a surgeon going to cut my skin and graft, and beats that for me. I'm proud of that.
Soon you'll enjoy the positive effects of laser light on your hair and scalp, and your family and friends will notice how healthy and attractive your hair has become.
Works for me. Works. And I tell anybody, give it a try. Give it a try and you'll see results. It works. I've seen a drastic improvement.